Ready? Good morning, Sharmila. Today is the last day I am sending material notification in old group. Hereafter, I am not going to send notification in old group. Jasmita, good morning. Jotam, good morning. First, today trigonometry tricks we are going to study. One and all, listen very carefully. Elevation, good morning. Elevation, big questions. Now we are going to target big questions. How to handle big questions with command. Okay. Now I will be teaching you when they will be giving you any proof questions. Divya, good morning. Anu, good morning. Everybody should write their name so that Ashwita, good morning. Gopika is not joining the sessions. I'm not going to add them in the new group. All the children must be writing their name. Maha, good morning. Now look at it. Just listen, and you people should be having your note. Good morning, Sophia. You people should be having your note. Along with your note, Sharmila, good morning. Along with your note, you should be writing everything pakka, tricks and twists to get the full marks. Now we are only going to be mad about getting full marks. Our only one ambition, 80 out of 80, not here and there. Okay, first question today. Everybody try to solve, take out your note. All important questions we are doing. Ovin, get ready, please. So now time also we will see how much time we are solving. Tan theta plus sin theta by tan theta minus sin theta. And this will be equal to, they are telling that, prove that it should be secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1. Now the question is looking very simple, but time of solving the question is the most important key. Correct? So we have to solve the question in perfect timing. And your time starts now. So when somebody will be giving me this question, what I am going to do as a student, how I am going to solve. Look here, power is suddenly power increase now. Good morning. You have to write your name, please. Huh? You have to write your name, Kritika. Okay, Kritika. Now look here, LHS. We will solve the question in much shortest way. Now listen, trick for solving this question. How to solve this question? Vishwa, good morning. You have to write your name, type your name. My student's name should be there fast. Now look here. First word, selective item. When you are solving the questions, you should be focusing into this factor. You check here. This is the most important section. Here what is given is not important. Where you have to go is more important. And here you have to go. Understood? You see, now you target because you should be 3 steps ahead. So your focus should be 3 steps ahead. Now here, when you are seeing tan, tan can be written as sine by cos. Sine and sine, sine and sine. Some symmetry is there. 2 steps we will solve this question. How? Now look here. Tan will get converted into sine theta by cos theta plus sine theta. Nothing written is down 1 by sine theta by cos theta. Nothing written means here sine theta by 1. Done. This is the first step. And then take sine theta up common. See, we got the answer. How? 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta 1 by cos theta minus 1. This sin theta got cancelled. Once you got the cancellation in this section, work over. Now 1 by sin theta is secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1 is equal to RHS. And don't forget to write the last line, proof. This is marking this victory. Understood or not? Good morning, Kavya. So you need to remember this part, sin theta by cos theta, one step ahead. So information I am giving students. Today is the last day I am sending link in the major group. Here nobody, no other group, only one group will be there, and only my shortlisted students will be there. Those who are in the group, welcome in the final revision team. So now look here. So this is sin theta. Understood over here? This is the final part. We have to do it. Good morning. So now this is exactly the most important section. So now final work. 1, 2, 3 steps. 3 steps work over. Got it? Now next question. Get ready everyone. Get ready everyone. We are going to go for the next question. Always keep for the final pace. I will teach some tricks. So what we did not done big things here and there. Only one thing we have taken out and cancelled. Okay. Now we will go for the next one. Get ready, everybody. Your next question is, you should be solving before me. This is an expected question for board exam this year. So you should be solving these type questions with fast pace. Your question is 1 plus cot theta, okay, minus cosecant theta. This is first part, and then 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, and this equal to what? Your options are 2, 1, 4, 6, 7. And your time starts now. Without solving, don't write. Don't type the answer without solving. Take your time, because the most crucial factors, we cannot be like that blind. Okay? Now time starts now. Come on, go for it. Good morning, Sneha. A. Don't you think, Kritika, you have done it very fast? Kavya A. The answer is wrong. With this, we can't reach perfection. Maha, Ritvijan B. B. Very good. This is what I was wanting. Get confused nicely. Ritvijan B. Okay. This is what I was wanting. Now look here. If somebody will say your answer is wrong, means you will lose confidence, huh? Now look at our work. We are going to analyze and check what is the correct answer. By solving, we are going to check. B is the correct one. Let's see what is the correct answer. After solving, we are going to analyze. Before solving, we can't say. Okay. So now look here. Our factor here is this one. We will write 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. Okay. And this part is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. See, if you multiply also, these many times you have to multiply. Shortest technique we must adopt, sin theta, here nothing, theta means 1. Take sin theta and multiply with this. No here and there mistakes, no unwanted steps. Okay, so now let's check this one out. So sin theta will go and multiply, it will become sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. And here it will become cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. This is, see, this everybody will do. This step everybody is doing. This is not a very big thing. So here the most important thing is this step is done by everyone. That is not a rocket science. Here after this only most important thing is there. A plus B we will do or B plus C we will do. It does not make very big sense. Okay. Now here we will turn it, it will become sin theta plus cos theta. So here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. So what it will become? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square by sin theta into cos theta. Did you notice something? Here upside it is in multiplication. Okay, upside sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. And here sin theta into cos theta is there. One small logic what we are going to do, one small one, that is this one. So here it will become sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. The moment you have done this, sin square theta plus cos square theta will become 1. Now we are preparing for board examination basis. This is MCQ we have converted, but MCQ questions also we can prove very nicely. Understood? Because maybe they will give you for 2 marks question. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And this part is 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So here this 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. Now here last step, what is the last step? Take 2 sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. And the story goes like this, the answer is 2. Now understood. So the moment anybody will say that you are wrong and you are going to stop, means you are idiot. Understood. So here I will play with all the techniques. Yes. So now you need to understand 2 points, 2 very, very important points. The most important point here is when you will be solving for MCQ, these much steps are not needed. Okay. You need to be in rough section and you need to do it as fast as possible. For rough, what work we can do? Yes, answer is A, that everybody knows. But shortcut technique for MCQ? For MCQ shortcut technique, after this, you should have the vision like A plus B whole square minus B square. And then A square plus B square this. In rough, you can do it here and then cancel and you can bring it. But here, for board exam, if you are writing, then you must mention here one factor, that we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is backup support thing. And here, next important point is cot theta is equal to, here cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Okay, this is one part. So another here, anything change you did? Nothing. But here you wrote sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here the moment you have changed anything, you should indicate what you have done. And here is the next indication that you have done. If you add these 2 points, only I have written it with different color. So these 2 things you will add, it will become the most important part. Understood? Elaboration, listen it very carefully. Cot theta converted into cos by sin, tan theta got converted into sin by cos. After that, this part LCM taken. This is sin same base. So little bit work you have to do. Sin same base. So sin will go and multiply with 1. So sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Understood? So it is sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. And then here 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta equal to 2. That's the major section you need to remember this part. Come late. One first. 14 minutes late. Now we are going to go for the next question. Children, get ready for the next question. Elaboration understood? See, elaboration, your biggest defect is not MCQ. Your biggest defect is your step. You have to work in your step and you have to work hard to how to solve a question. Everybody remember, starting is not a problem in mathematics. Ending is a problem. Are you understanding? Finishing touch in Every question is the most important thing a topper is doing. Always remember this point. कि when you are writing for competition MCQ question, that's a different target. There you have to play with time. But when you are solving for written examination, their time, everything has to be indicated pakka. So here I have not done anything mistake here and there. Understood? So if this is a solving question, then this should be equal to RHS. If it is a proof question, then we started from where? This. So this part should be written as LHS. Understood? So final answer LHS is equal to RHS. Maybe the person who is correcting your paper is a blind person. By your steps you have to awaken that person. I hope everybody understood. Thank you for liking the class, and most important, get ready for the next question. We are going to play with time this time, and we are going to prove a question. Until and unless it is not proved, don't say yes. And I am understood. And your time starts now. The question is a very expected question. Get ready for solving the question. The question is cos A by, get ready, 1 minus, हिमांशु एक बार मैं देखती हूँ, 1 plus this one, okay, get ready, plus sin A by, everyone, 1 minus cot A. 2 days we will learn all trigonometric concepts and all trigonometric clues. So here cos A plus sin A, and your time starts now. Go for it. Every second is important. Remember this. Every second is important when you are solving a question. What, right? I can understand Himanshu. Stop it. Steps, एक काम करो, सॉल्व करो और ग्रुप में डालो. Done? Super. What is your name? Cos A by 1 minus tan A, sin A by 1 minus cot A. Shortest technique of solving. Okay. You have not taken time, but you need to be that much pakka in your work. Then you have no scope of getting full marks. Presentation is something very important for board examination, and you should have a perfect presentation. This you keep in your mind until and unless your presentation is not good. Done? Still not two people only said they have proved. My work starts from here. I am going to prove. Understood? Until unless your handwriting a presentation is not good, nobody can do. Say, come here, no problem. You will take out minus, yes, absolutely, correct only. But it will not be plus. Inside again minus will be there. Now, the one which will become plus will become minus. The one which is minus will become plus. Okay, that is correct. But minus will come bit after that. Ritujan done? Super. So now look here. How we are going to solve this question? Everyone please pay attention. So for this question, how we are going to initiate? As a beginner zero level, we are going to solve the question. Where is Maha? Sneha proved super. So now look here. When this question is given to us, it's a challenge question for us. So now what we are going to do? Face it. First we will write LHS. In LHS, what we will write? Look here, Vindan. Cos A beta. After cos A, what you are going to do, Vindan? 1 minus tan A will become this one. This is very crucial step. This is one crucial step where tan you have opened as sine by cos. Understood? Sine by cos A. And here look here. First thing, when then focus into what is your target. Sine A by 1 minus cos A by sine A. Understood? 1 minus cos A by sine A. I am seeing the names. Where is Jotam finished or not? So now look here. So here 1 is there. You multiply this. This is the first and the last crucial step. This will go and multiply cross multiplication. When then look here, cross multiplication. Cos will multiply with 1, it will become cos A minus sine A by cos A plus sine A by sine A minus cos A by sine A when done. Understood? So you must remember when then focus into the target what you are having. Completed super. So here need to be doing this cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Understood when then. So once you did it, did you saw one thing? Denominator. This is numerator part. This is numerator part. This is up. This is numerator. This is numerator part. Understood? So now this will go and multiply with cos. Why? Because there is a technique. A by B by C will become AC by B. Always remember. This part will go and multiply with A. So certain tricks are there. That tricks has to be followed. It should not be changed for anyone. So now what we are going to do here, equal to sign. If you are missing equal to sign, why we are putting equal to sign? We are putting equal to sign as a case of continuation. Very good children. Now you check where and all you have done mistake. Now once you are putting, now you check, you left equal to sign, you left what and all steps is there. Okay, well done. So now look at it. Here this part will go and multiply with cos. So what it will become? Cos square A. Done. Now down it is coming as cos A minus sin A. Here plus the sign will go and multiply with sign. It will become sine square A. By down it is coming as sine A minus cos A. Now here only one thing is there. Can you see cos sine, sine cos? So if we will take minus outside, always remember this was the problem you had. So remember, when I am taking, see listen, A minus B is there. Now where? Look here, focus here when I am saying. So A minus B is there. If I want to convert it into B minus A, what I will do? I will take minus outside. So once I have taken minus outside, minus B will become now plus B. And A will become minus A. So this is the most important crucial part. Always remember here. So here Ashish, Mukundan, good morning. So when you will be taking out minus, so their plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So this is the most crucial part we must not forget. So this is the most crucial section. What it will become? Cos square A by cos A minus sin A. Now this part will become minus and here it is coming as sin square A by cos A minus sin A. This is the jackpot moment. Here it will come as cos square A minus sin square A by cos A minus sin A. That will become cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A. By denominator part will become what? Cos A minus sin A. This is the victory moment, cancel, and this is equal to finishing touch. Cos A plus sin A, and this is equal to RHS. But this is called as complete answer. No, this is not. Don't do like this. I have seen already. This is not the complete answer. This is incomplete answer, because where and all you have taken twist and turn, you have to indicate that. Understood or not? So where and all you have done changes, you need to indicate that one. First is in the question section when you started, you used tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, and cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. This is the first major thing you have used in the first step. Understood? Now this part if you are indicating, not indicating, okay. Now next step, when you are taking minus common. Taking minus common also if you are not saying this, okay. But here you can indicate sin A minus cos A will become minus cos A minus sin A. Wow, a proper way of writing is totally different. They take time. Understood. It will take time, but answer will come. Now here A square minus B square. See here you must write that A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Now three crucial places where you have done twist and turns. Understood? Where you have done twist and turns, that crucial critical stages, we have written ifs and buts everything. Understood or not? So this is the critical way of solving the question, where whenever you have changed anything, you indicated the person who is correcting your paper. This is called as road map generation in mathematics. Steps writing along with indication that what and all changes you have done. That this is exactly you people have to do to write the content in a proper way. I hope you might have understood this one. So this is the most important thing we must be prepared for. Are we ready for the next stage? Ready for the next stage? Got it? So now we will go for the next question. Children, are you all ready? Yes, but you need to first prepare. All the children are not going to be that level. Okay. So now ready for the next question? Your next question is, now this question you people have to solve. This is an old question, yet it is not out of our target. We have to achieve this question. Today I am taking attendance of those. Praveen is not here. Maya is not here. Understood? Anyone who is doing Sophia and this thing, hi, hello. Seriously, I'm going to block you. Here we are studying, and you are not supposed to do anyone unwanted works. I will not listen. I will not see who you are. Definitely. So please kindly control yourself, because we are not sitting here for doing nonsense works. You should be ashamed of yourself. Saying hello, Sophia. Come on. Are you ready for the question? And that too before examination. Such type of idiots are there. Question is sin theta minus cosecant theta. Get ready. Sin theta minus cosecant theta whole square. Next part. Cos theta minus cosecant theta whole square equal to, what you have to prove, get ready for it, equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta whole square. Shortest trick apply. Shortest trick apply. Use your brain how to solve it as fast as possible. And if you have any special steps which will make it very short, use it and send me photo. Send me the screenshot. And your time starts now. Go for it. All the best. I'm watching. It's not game of 1 minute also. Your pen should not stop. It should write continuous till you are not reaching to the target. First, design your answer. Design your answer. Your math should be under your control. Your math should not be out of your control. Like the way you are controlling your games, play cricket, whatever games you are playing, same way when you are solving maths, it should not be out of your control. You should command it. Math should not command it. This is the most important thing. Come on, go for it. Ten, nine, 8, 7. Any technique got? Did it click? It must. I will not want to see like this. I don't know how to use this symbol slash heist. I'm saying you, Himanshu. You don't do like that. In the main group, very good. In the main group, please send the screenshot of what you are solving. That's the thing only in final moment I'm going to see. Because as a teacher, as an experience holder, yes, as an experience holder, I know only one thing. You have to write paper in board, not in laptop anywhere. So when you are writing your steps, pakka things will come perfectly. So neatness to everything is countable. Yes, Himanshu. So you have to work on it. Are you ready? Shall I go for it? You need to understand this. Presentation is one of the most important thing. Last 7 to 8 years, no. Past 13 to 14 years, my students are getting 100 out of 100 in maths and science. We are having a record. This record I don't want to break. This year, you people are going to prove. So get ready. Have that madness. Are you all ready? Come on. We'll go for the LHS. LHS. OVN. Ready? Now it is sine theta cosecant theta. First step to we will write what it table is there. See why I am telling you, because if you are writing in a page and you are presenting with speed, you have to work in your speed now. This is that time when you have to learn how to speed up the things. So here sine theta cosecant theta will become 1 by sine theta whole square, and then here plus cos theta. Can I write? It is sine theta by cosecant theta, cos theta by cosecant theta, cos theta minus cosecant theta. Yes, I have given question wrong. You people got the answer. How it is possible, boss? Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. You people got the answer. How many of you got the answer first? Super. I will not be able to solve if the question is wrong. Yes. So it will become sine theta into cos theta minus 1 by cos theta whole square plus sine theta into cos theta minus 1 by sine theta whole square. So the same part is repeated two times. So if the same part is repeated two times, how we are going to solve the question? Sine theta cos theta minus 1, sine theta cos theta minus 1. So denominator part is having plus and sine theta and cos theta. In this particular moment, what we are going to think? How many of you this is what those very intelligent, intellectual people, those who have solved this question, seriously, I just wanted to know how you have solved a wrong question. For getting the correct answer, you have to write your secant. So that means somewhere you have done something wrong. So here, if I'm going to solve this question with this pattern, are we going to work on it or not? Now look here. I have started it with a correct note. Now I'm going to get struck. No, I'm not going to struck. See here, sine theta cos theta minus 1 whole square, sine theta cos theta minus 1 whole square. And down is cos theta and sine theta. So what we can do? Are we going to waste time in solving such steps or something? Never, never, never. We are not going to think extra from it. In 2 steps, we will get the answer. How? Now look here. Look here. Sin theta cos theta minus 1, sin theta cos theta minus 1. We will take out sin theta into cos theta minus 1 whole square taken out. If we have taken out that one, what left? 1 by cos theta whole square plus 1 by sin theta whole square. This is the last part. Now everyone pay attention. Maha, where are you? You are invisible today. So now look here. Sin theta into cos theta minus 1 whole square. 1 minute also we will not take. It will become what? 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. Once you have written this here, now cross multiply. I am not at all touching this square section. Not at all opening that square part. Not at all touching this section. Now you look here. Sin theta into cos theta minus 1 whole square. Cross multiply. Sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta. Boss, here itself our work over, because here it is coming as sin theta into cos theta minus 1 whole square. This part will become what? 1. So this will go down of it. Again, it is coming as sin square theta into cos square theta. Like a small child, we will indicate. Hey, we know this, that sin theta into cos theta minus 1 whole square. Down also we can write sin theta into cos theta whole square. Because sin square theta cos square theta is sin theta whole square. So now total part is coming as sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta whole square. Now once you reach to this level, I have done 2-3 extra steps to prove that this is exactly going to be my game. Every question what you are solving should be your own identity, should be revealed. So now separate it out. Sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. The toppers who heard me and followed got full marks in exam because they did not give one single scope to those people who were correcting their paper. And here 1 minus cosecant theta into secant theta whole square, and that is equal to RHS. Story over. That's it. Yes, I am going to teach the last step. Every single step, whatever I have changed, I am going to explain. But never I was out of my target. Now listen, 2-3 steps I have taken extra, but I proved my point that this game is in my hand. Understood? So every maths what you are solving should be commanded by you. Got it? So now look at it. What and all steps you have done here. Now go for it. You check this one out. Sin theta first, so we have changed it. So here it's time to now do little bit of extra work. We have written here secant theta got converted into secant theta we have converted into 1 by cos theta, and sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. This is the first thing we have done. Okay. After that, I don't think we have done anything change here. Till here, taking common is not at all going to be big work. So here we have taken common, and after taking common square section we have written. Okay. Now here next part. After this we have taken this as 1. So we will write here that sin square theta, since we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Got it? So now this is roadmap you are generating. After that, this section you have written. After that, this part writing, and then taking common and solving. This is the most crucial factors. Here, one thing you must remember: sin square theta, cos square theta. For those people who are having problem, you always remember sin square theta is nothing but sin theta whole square. Sine square theta is nothing but sine theta whole square. Okay, sine square theta is sine theta whole square. One time you indicate to the people that okay fine, sine square theta is nothing but sine theta whole square. Cos square theta is nothing but cos theta whole square. So once we will be indicating this part, see Himanshu, please don't do like that. Yes, plus or minus. They have asked plus. I think I wrote question wrong. Two question I merged together. Minus is there only. That's what beta. Two question I merged. Here minus is there. So only I was like finding how to solve it. So now look here. It is minus. Two question was similar type. Now another similar type question I'm going to do. Himanshu, work in your defects. If you don't know English, miss, it's not like it, the people with whom you will meet an entire session will be speaking Hindi for you. You must learn the language where you are, except me. Try out Himanshu. Mathematics is having a different language. This is language of mathematics. Remember this. This is not English. This is not Hindi. This is not Tamil. This is not Telugu. This is mathematics language. Are you all ready? एग्जाम के पहले तुम्हारे साथ बहुत अन्याय होगा, याद रखो. Are you ready? Our next question. Get ready for it, please. When plus will be there, you'll be able to solve with plus. Minus will be there, you'll be able to solve with minus. Okay. This question came in CBSE 2023. First, to give a heading, this question first came 2001 compartmental exam. So those who were Bahubalis, who failed the board exam, the main board exam, those who failed, for them, CBSE has given one lollipop and told, beta, one more time appear for the examination. Okay, for them, this question what I am going to give came another after little bit of years. They gave this question in 2023. Just in a gap of 22 years, they have repeated a question. So only I am telling, 25 years questions are always important. Just in a gap of 22 years, okay, they gave this question. Question is, if A cos theta plus B sin theta plus B sin theta equal to M, and A cos theta plus B sin theta equal to M, go for the next part, A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to N. This is the last part. Get ready. I'm checking the question. A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to M. A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to N. You need to prove it. A square plus B square. Prove that A square plus B square is equal to M square plus N square, and your time starts now. Come on, go for it. मिल जाएगा, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा बेटा. काम करिए, काम करिए, काम करिए, सॉल्व कीजिए जल्दी. Come on, come on, come on. Very good, ma'am. Super. I will check once. Super, ma'am. So this is what I am wanting. See, some students are sending the solutions. What? You can't send, na, Himanshu? I always told you, your answer is your roadmap. Where you are going, your answer will tell you. So please follow your answer. Follow your answers. Here the roadmap is this one. Somewhere you have to bring square. What you have to bring? square. That means we have to do something with the square. Thank you for liking the class, because this is the most crucial factor. This is the most crucial part. If I will not say this means answer will. Come on, come on, come on, come on, do it. कूटूंगी, काम कर जल्दी। फाइनल एग्जाम के समय मैं कुछ नहीं सुनती, अपने खुद का तो नहीं सुनूंगी मैं, तो बाहर का कहाँ से सुन पाऊंगी? मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता, मुझे सिर्फ मेरा काम दिखाई देता है। समझ में आया? काम कर, जल्दी काम कर, सॉल्व कर और भेजो। एक पीएसएस भेज दो। पीएसएस मीन्स 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop everything. That's it. So when this question will, like, unexpected questions are coming in board examination, how to understand, how to generate the roadmap. First you see, in this question, this part is equal to m, this part is equal to n. Understood? Which we need, everything is out of our command. So what we will do, we'll square both sides. We will take this as equation 1 and we will write in solution section. You must write first, you write a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to m. This taken as equation 1. A sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to n. Equation. Now just write squaring both equation 1 and 2 and adding. Got it? So first we'll square both equation 1 and 2 and then we need to add it. Okay? So first work is this one squaring. So it will become a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square is equal to m square. Understood? Now here a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square equal to n square. By add कर दो इसको. So it will become a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square is equal to m square plus n square. Till here na m square plus n square came. Thank you so much. So here a cos theta will become what, beta? Now open the bracket. Okay. A cos theta whole square plus b sin theta whole square plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. Now this one you open, it will become a sin theta whole square plus b cos theta whole square minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta, and that equal to m square plus n square. This and this will get cancelled. So once this part is going to get cancelled, here it is coming as a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta, and here a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta equal to m square plus n square. Only do one thing, take a square common, it is coming as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Take b square common, it will come as sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to m square plus n square. So this section will become a square plus b square is equal to m square plus n square. Boom. That's it. I rest my case. So here, very good revision. So here when you are solving the question, one trick is needed, and that trick is most important. The trick here was nothing, the trick here was squaring both sides. Okay, because your proof was this. So we need to go like this. this part. Only one thing we have to add here, and that section is not a big thing. Here section is only one thing, and that is a square plus b square. So here sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is the major step we have taken. Then only our proof became easy. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That's the most important work we have done here. Rest other than that, everything was just nothing. Did you got this point? And see, after how many years they have repeated the question? That's the most important thing. After 22 years they have repeated the question. Understood? Thank you for liking the class, children. That's a real boost for me. So definitely, 22 people are present right now. Thank you so much for attending the class first. All big people are attending the class right now. And some of my very favorite students are sleeping. So today definitely I'm going to call them and ask finally. Very good, super. So now this is today I'm going to call some of my students and ask, you are really interested to study? Are we ready for the next question, please? Get ready. Ready for the next question? Very good, Kavya. Super. Super. Again, Ishrat is absent. I'm watching everyone very closely. Who and all are present there? The Anushya is absent. Vishwa is absent. Yes. Next question. This question you should not take more time. This question you should solve in a very, very less time. This question came in board examination, and this question you have to solve as MCQ question. Okay, MCQ question. You need to remember again. I am saying MCQ question. MCQ question means it should not be out of your target. X is equal to a sine theta. Done. Y is equal to y is equal to x is equal to a sine theta, y is equal to b tan theta. Okay, y is equal to b tan theta. Now we have to find a square by x square minus b square by y square is equal to 1. Which option is going to be 0, minus 1, 1 or 2? And your time starts now. Many times they will be giving answer can come 0. Yes, come on, go for it. Let's see who gives the option first. Sir, I slept night 12:45, woke up 4:20. 4 o'clock, not 20 also. This is my madness. What should I do? Come on, children, don't take that much time. Answer is 0. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Answer is coming 0 or not. Many times answers can come 0. Many times answer cannot come 0. Anything is possible. Okay, now everyone started saying answer is 0. I'll solve and I'll tell you. Without solving, I'll not say it. Ready? Now look here. Answer is C. Kritika is telling answer is C. Good. One person dared to come out of that. Let's see. Anyone else? Now technique of solving the question. As per always I'm telling you, your technique is going to lead you to another level. So here what content is there? X will be A. So we are not going to bother about A. Okay. So we are going to write LHS in LHS section because I'm proving it also and I am solving for MCQ also. Both would. Okay. So if they may give you that this equal to any one of this, then LHS will start with here A square is as it is. X value is a square sine square theta. Why? Because it is x square, or it is x square. Now go to the next level, b. Now here it will become b square tan square theta. Okay. Now beta this on over. Now next, loser home. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कह रहा. 1 by sin square theta is there. Minus 1 by tan square theta. Oh my god, did we got stuck? Never. This is second step. Third step we are having answer. 1 by sin square theta is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. And this equal to 1. Option number C. I rest my case. Only 3 steps. Check this out. How? Because we know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. That's it. Over. Final piece we should be like this. Shortcut techniques plus intelligence you have to use. I hope everybody understood this one. Was it tough? Was it lengthy? इसको लेंदी कहाँ से बोलूँ? How we can see it lengthy है? Nothing is there. Huh? Did you understood it? We see the problem here is that have already given up by thinking maths is difficult. This is the only problem we people are having. We are itself see when you are exactly thinking that maths is difficult, 100% it will be difficult. Praveen, 6-7 people today I'm going to talk. Final piece means I won't work like this. This type of people are very irritating for me. Are you ready for the next question? Last 4-minute question I'm giving. Okay. 3-minute question. Question is 1 plus sine theta whole square. Okay. Plus 1 minus sine theta whole square. 1 minus sine theta whole square by cos square theta. Okay. Will be equal to what? This is going to be cos theta. We can do like that. And the time starts now. Come on, go for it. My boss baby is ready. That's the previous one. Yeah. More shortcut steps I need. Yeah, but I need more for shortcut steps now. More. Time saving. I want it to be very intellectual. Cross all the boundaries. Let's see. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got one answer from here offline. Second answer, Sharmila. Let's see. I'm going to give the answer, please. So here this equal to direct I'll write. First one beta 1 plus sine theta will become 1 plus sine square theta plus 2 sine theta 1 plus sine square theta minus 2 sine theta. This is first line, such a heavy line. In this part, this second is there? I think sine square theta is there. I did miss square. Okay, so this part, why we are underestimating the word. So 1 minus sine square theta. Now this and this got cancelled. It will come 2 plus 2 sine square theta by 1 minus sine square theta. Take 2 common, 1 plus sine square theta by 1 minus sine square theta, and that equal to this. See option. Absolutely. Yes. Yeah, that plus minus section is over. So I think in 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds, we solved it. Understood? So this is exactly what I want the students to be. And this is the fast, just one promo I have sent you today. Today evening also again we are going to do this. But today evening it will be Google Meet. So definitely be very, very special today. Today very important techniques and everything I'm going to be teaching you. Don't forget to join the class, join the session. Understood? And write everything, keep a record of everything. So this is just first phase, mode 3, 4 phases. Your name is Kanu. Nice. Nice to meet you, Vita. From where you are, all the best. Bless you all. Have a nice day. Evening we'll see.